What is up, YouTube? Michael's Blogs here. Now today we're going to be installing deskbot on Windows XP Service Pack 3. Let's go ahead and run the setup. So you'll see we'll get this screen. Welcome to deskbot setup wizard. All the good stuff. You can click next. Accept their agreements. This leaves the same. This you can modify. Just don't click off this and this. Because if these are missing, these two things, the Microsoft Agent 2.0 MS Agent.exe and the Microsoft Genie character, if that's missing, and I'll prove that if we go to compact installation, those two things are selected. Well, I'll leave it at full installation. Leave that the same, I guess. Now I click install. I should be doing this on Windows 7, like my real computer, but I'm not. And yes, I have installed this on Windows 7. I have messed with it before. It's kind of a good thing. So you can see it's made its desktop icon. Yeah. Still going. It's taking a while to finish. Come on. As much as I want to just X out of it, which might actually be a thing I have to do, I'm going to give it 10 more seconds. Oh, there we go. Alright, so you can click finish. And now we have the desktop icon over here. Come on. Let me make sure my volume's not too high. And let's go ahead and run deskbot. So it so it saved my settings that I had before when I originally, because this ain't the first time I installed it on XP, so I guess it's saved now. It does change. The default character is Merlin, or at least I'm pretty sure. Now that's an issue I've been having on the Windows 7 one. So if we go ahead and, so for some reason I mess up.
Hey Steve, how ya doing?
Where is it? Just kind of have to mute Windows. So something that I don't, because sometimes I mess around with this program for fun. Something I've noticed for Windows 7. So if we go to characters, these are the characters that you get if you run deskbot on Windows 7. You don't get Merlin. You get default character, which is this. You get Bonzi Buddy, which is that thing. You get Petey, which is that thing. And then you get Merlin. No, not Merlin. You get Genie, which is that thing. Which is something I personally don't like, but hey, whatever. So let me X out of this, if I can. Alright, and put this back to default and unmute my host volume. I guess not. Hold on. Alright, that's unmuted. So, and in Windows XP, if you was to install this on XP, your characters that you get You get Merlin and Genie, and then default character, which I'm pretty sure is wait, yeah, Merlin. Now if you install this on Windows Vista, your characters that you can get is actually these same exact ones. I think if you install it on Vista, you can get Merlin and Genie. Or maybe it's something else. Like maybe you get Merlin, Bonzi Bunny, and Petey. I don't know, but at least on Windows Vista it comes with Merlin. Uh-oh. If you click next again, select again, it'll just do this. Name, Genie. Yeah. Now that I think about it, if I get rid of this. No, okay, don't get rid of it, but I'm pretty sure that we don't. How great. Oh. I thought that Merlin was not there first. Genie, and I was like, maybe I could do something with Windows 7. I guess not. So yeah, that's that. There's a read program, and speaking of reading, if I make a document, I guess, new programs installed. Oh yeah, that's this. So if I make a text document, I don't want to make one. I just want to open Notepad. So if I go to accessories, which takes forever, if I go to, I get that it doesn't even say the time, it just says the word time. Where is Notepad? There's Notepad. I'm just gonna open. So let's say I put I love cats. So now, as long as the deskbot is running, if you highlight it, you you right click and then press copy, it'll read it. Yeah, so he actually reads if you copy something. And if you don't want him to do that reading book animation, what you can do is actually go to his reading thing, press Control V, and then you press read. After you press read, he won't do the book animation, he'll just say it. So yeah, so that's that. Don't know why I'm so zoomed out on the lens. No zoomed in, I mean. What was I gonna do on the... So let's get rid of this unwanted garbage. That's kind of what it is. You can set greetings. So like if you wanted to say certain things to you when you open it, you can indeed like go to the greeting menu, and then like you could go to greeting 1, for example, and then like I could have it say Michael's blogs is the best or something like that. How many times did you say that? And you could change his greeting animation when he first opens. But like let's say we have but you could set different animations. Like for example, greeting 2 can have the greet animation. Greeting 3 can have the hearing animation. Hearing 1. So yeah, that's that. What's that? Go to the About page and look it up. Balloon, this is the thing that pops above his head. And that's what I was gonna do. Just get rid of that. So you can set him to start when you log on to Windows. I don't know what splash screen means. I guess I'll Might as well find out now. There's an option, minimize while clicking close button. I don't know what that is. That Internet Explorer read with deskbot. So let's see what the splash screen is. If we exit him and open again. Oh, that's what it means. So it's kind of like Prody Parrot. It gives the Prody Parrot screen before it opens the bird thing. Yeah, that's really it. You can change his voice to an adult female, which would be weird.
Voice options are now set.
Okay, good. Yeah, so here's Balloon where you can modify his fonts when the balloon thing pops right here, like when he's talking. Can read, so we've basically looked at everything. I mean, he can say the time, but I think the problem that I'm having is the T needs to be a capital T. So, like, I would recommend the thing that has like those characters right there. Like this, leave it at the, like you can you can the text that you can change is this. But that I would recommend leaving at default, like the part that's not highlighted, cause I feel like it just messes things up. So yeah, now I'm gonna save those options and see. Will he say the time now? I don't know. Read clipboard. I don't even know what clipboard is. I've never used it, so. Yeah, so we've just looked at all those features and stuff. Maybe we'll I want to do not bonus, but like something else. So if we, so this video doesn't go too long, rather than uninstalling him on video, I'm just gonna turn off this XP virtual machine, which actually I'm go to X and just do it like that. Go back to my VirtualBox manager. Let's see if we can install this. Let's see if we can install this thing to Windows 2000. Because, I mean, Windows 2000 is old, so I wouldn't see it working well. Like, maybe I can get it installed, but it'll probably give us an error when we try to run the program. Like, double-click on deskbot. That's when we might get a error that it's not a proper Win32 application or something like that. Let's let this operating system boot. And why does my camera make the green so dark? I don't know. I have to hold my camera in a weird way because I'm tired. My arm's tired. Let's see, preparing network connections. And I'm trying to get unnecessary dramatic angles because that's what I can do. I'm the one holding the camera, so. First of all, let me bump the volume up. Alright, so first I need to make sure that drag and drop is enabled, is it? Just host to guess, I guess. Where's the deskbot installer? Alright, copy. Okay, so there's the deskbot. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and run it and see what it does. Wow, it's actually gonna work. You know, I feel like I installed this on Windows 2000 previously. But at the same time, I don't remember. Like, I don't remember installing this on Windows 2000. But at the same time, I have a feeling that I already installed it. Okay, so this is new on Windows 2000. You have to restart the computer. But on Windows XP, Vista, and 7, you don't have to restart. So that's something new. with on if what did it just do? It had green lines. But yeah, so on Windows 2000, you're gonna have to restart the computer. So that's new. Again, this is an older operating system, so maybe it needs to restart, which takes forever. And this is another thing that I'm like just confused about. The more RAM I give Windows XP, it seems the Windows XP just seems to what's the name, just like slow down even though I'm giving it more RAM. But what's probably happening is Windows XP is using that more extra RAM, which is slowing down the host machine. And when the host machine is slowed down, then the virtual machine obviously gets slow. So that's probably what's happening. Alright, let's try to run deskbot. Wow. It works. What characters do we have? Just Merlin and Genie. So I definitely don't remember this menu popping up on Windows 2000. So I'm pretty sure I did not install it before. Because at the time I was probably thinking that there's no way that Windows 2000 can support this little 3D animated character. So that's going to be the end of this video. Until next video, like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that stuff. Is there a proper way to end a YouTube video? I don't know. I'm trying to think of a new outro is what I'm trying to do. So, yeah. I'll just have him do the outro. Oh. So when he tries to say something, he freezes up. So that's what's happening on Windows 2000. So maybe I did install this previously, and I experienced this ever. Like when he tries to talk, he just gets stuck. Same thing when I installed Bonzi Buddy on Windows 2000 when he tried to talk. So yeah. So actually, I take back what I said. Don't install deskbot on Windows 2000 because this happens. Now he doesn't even have any text showing up. So until next video, guys, peace out. Let me zoom out first. Peace out.